feel like rambling while doing my skincare routine. Today I will be going on like a social media slash phone detox. Like, I've been on my phone for very long hours these days. After Memorial Day weekend, all of my teachers started to give less work since we only had like a couple more weeks until the end of the school year, so everything's like, I guess, lightening up. I still work 5 times a week. To me, it feels like there's a lot of in-between time from after class to the time I actually need to work. I spend a lot of my time playing games and like going on dating apps for fun. Like, I'm not really looking for people to date right now because pandemic, but it's just not my turf, I guess I would say. Like, it's just not for me, but I still like go on it anyway because I just find it, I guess, a little more entertaining than my usual days. But yeah, I just wanted to share that because transparency, I guess. Today I have 2 classes. I'm tutoring 2 kids. Usually when I have class, I like try to look half decent, you know, like I just wear lip tint or curl my lashes. Technically I'm not staying out of like digital items because my work is basically sitting in front of a laptop and talking to people. So today's just like, I just need to clear my head. Good job. Yay. It was busy otherwise. We only have 5 minutes left. Okay, I'll see you on Friday. Okay, bye. From yesstyle. It's from the brand Peri Para in the shade number 5, Burnt Tangerine. Really good color for spring. I'll have it linked down below, and I have a code. The code is gabbys for a 10% off your order, so feel free to use that if you would like. Hello.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Everyone. Today I will be doing a song. It is currently 10:35 p.m. and I have our 2000 something magic sing slash karaoke. Oh yeah, guys, I gave up on the phone thing after 7 p.m. It's okay, I played Call of Duty. That's pretty much all I did. Bitch. Oh wait, I'm sorry. Today's final song, since I don't know any of these songs. I think this was like 2000s edition. Loneliness is killing me at night. I must confess, I still believe, 'cause we were ships in the night. This marks the end of our video. Thank you for watching, and I hope we all keep growing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I'll keep singing now.
And you're gonna be happy. And you're gonna be happy. It's all around. It's all brand new. It's